Hello guys, thanks for joining me today. Today we will be making a roux. Add 3/4 cups of oil. Bring oil to a warm temperature. Add 1½ cups of all-purpose flour. Stir flour in until well combined. Continue to stir. Once the roux starts to separate, add 1 tablespoon of oil. Continue stirring. After 14 minutes, this is what your roux should look like. This is called a blonde roux that you can use in recipes such as mac and cheese. Continue stirring for another 12 minutes. As you can see, the color is starting to change. Continue stirring. The roux has become a little more darker. This is what your roux should look like after the additional 12 minutes. This can be used for etouffee. Continue stirring for an additional 9 minutes. Once the roux starts to pull apart again, add another tablespoon of oil. Continue stirring. As you can see, the color starts to get even more darker. And this is what your finished roux should look like that can be used for gumbo. Thanks for joining me guys. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like my channel. I would really appreciate it.